Hello students, this is Kanika. Welcome to my channel Prep Biology. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss Hershey and Chase experiment. They prove that the genetic material is DNA. Okay, so what did they do in their experiment? The Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase, they both are the scientists. In 1952, they work on the T2 bacteriophage. Okay, so the T2 bacteriophage is a virus that infect the bacteria. Okay, so T2 bacteriophage is a virus, not a bacteria, but they infect or eat the bacteria. So this is clear to you. Bacteriophage, this is the basic structure of the bacteriophage. They have the outermost protein sheath. Inside they have the DNA. This is the head region, and this is the neck, and this is the tail. So this is the basic structure of the bacteriophage. The Hershey and Chase, they work on this bacteriophage. Okay, so what did they do? So these are the viruses. Okay, bacteriophage are the viruses. They incorporated separately these viruses with the radioactive isotopes. Okay, isotopes. They grew some of the viruses, bacteriophage viruses, in the radioactive isotopes containing phosphorus 32, and some of the viruses they grow on a medium having radioactive isotope sulfur, that is sulfur 35. Okay, so they separately grow these viruses which are incorporated with the radioactive isotopes of phosphorus and radioactive isotopes of sulfur. So now understand it carefully. They incorporate the phosphorus 32 specifically into the DNA of these viruses, and the sulfur specifically incorporate into the protein sheath of these viruses. Okay, so the viruses having the radioactive phosphorus 32 DNA and the viruses having sulfur 35, radioactive sulfur 35 protein viruses. Okay, so these viruses having contain the radioactive DNA, and these viruses contain the radioactive proteins. Now these phages independently, they are used independently to infect the bacteria. Which bacteria? Which bacteria? That is E. coli. Okay, so these viruses used to independently infect the E. coli bacteria separately. Okay, E. coli means Escherichia coli. Okay, Escherichia. Escherichia is a genus and coli is a species. Okay, so these viruses separately infect these bacteria. Now what did they do? This is the full structure that shows the Hershey and Chase experiment. So they have the bacteriophage sulfur labeled protein capsule, and they have the bacteriophage phosphorus labeled DNA core. Now what happens? They infect the bacterium, that is E. coli. These are the bacteriophage and this is the structure of E. coli. The infection proceeds. The bacteriophages, they attach on the surface of the bacteria E. coli and infection takes place. When the infection proceeds, next step is the blending. Blending is the with the help of blender, these mixtures, with the help of the blender, the viral coat, this is 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 the viral coat. Okay, so the viral coats are removed by mixing them in a blender. Okay, so what is the purpose of blending? By mixing in the blender, the viral coats are removed from the mixture. So this is the significance of blending. The third step, they have only this mixture. Okay, now the third step is the centrifugation. What is centrifugation? So this is the centrifugal machine in the laboratory. So what is centrifugation? It is the method by using the centrifugal force, the separation of materials takes place. Okay, the separation of material or substances takes place. Okay, the separation of substances takes place according to their size, mass, density, etc. Okay, so what happens is, we after the blending we have the mixture. That mixture is transferred into the centrifugation, and the centrifugation takes place. Now we have two kinds of result. This is the one result and this is the second result. So what did they found? This is the tube. This is the this is the tube. This is the that shows the centrifugation result. So we have the lowermost pallet, and this is the liquid left, that is the supernatant. Okay, in case of the bacteriophage having the sulfur labeled protein capsule, they found that no sulfur is detected in the cells. In the pellet, they found that no sulfur is detected in the pellet, okay, in the cells, but the sulfur is detected in the supernatant. Okay, okay, so the sulfur is detected in the supernatant, that is the extra left material or left liquid. Okay, so but they do not find sulfur, radioactive sulfur in the pellet in the cells. Okay, so in the second case, they found that the phosphorus labeled DNA core is detected. They are detected in the cells. Okay, in the pellet, they are detected the cells. They are detected, the phosphorus is detected in the cells in the pellet, but not detected in the supernatant liquid. Okay, so what is the result of this? That the phosphorus, radioactive phosphorus, is incorporated into the DNA core. So this DNA core is detected in the cells of the bacteria which was infected by the bacteriophage. So these DNA are passed from the bacteriophage, that is the virus, to the bacterium E. coli. Okay, so this experiment conclude that, what is the conclusion of this experiment? That the DNA was the material, not the protein, that passed from virus to the bacteria. Okay, and it directs the protein code synthesis and replication to occurs. Okay, so this is the conclusion of this experiment, that the genetic material which transfer from the virus to the bacteria, that is the DNA. So this is the Hershey and Chase experiment that proved that the genetic material is DNA. So this is the question in your that have asked in your 2024 PYQ board examination. So this is a 5 marks questions, that is divided into 1, 2 and 2. Why did Hershey and Chase use sulfur 35 and phosphorus 32 in their experiment? Because the sulfur is present in the proteins, that's why it is incorporated in the proteins, and the phosphorus is present in the DNA. State the importance of blending and centrifugation. Blending helps in the by the blending, the viral coat is removed by mixing in the blending. And what is the significance of importance of the centrifugation? The centrifugation is centrifugation is used for the viruses particles separation from bacteria. Okay, so this is the result. Write the conclusion they arrived at the end of their experiment that I have explained to you. So these are kind of questions I have asked in your CBSE board examination. So I hope this Hershey and Chase experiment is clear to you all. If you like this lecture, like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Prep Biology. Keep studying, keep learning. Thank you so much.